Morning, ladies. I know I said in the last video that the next video was going to be some Irish food too, because St. Patty's Day is coming up. Yeah, I lied. Not happening. You see this t-shirt and the sun, and you know, it's 8 a.m. in the morning and I'm wearing this, and it's been like that this past week. So it has been non-stop outside. Love it. Get out of the shade there. So I can't cook a hearty, hefty Irish meal when it's this warm outside for you guys. Sorry. However, temperature is going down, rain is coming in, so I'll want to be inside. So I will definitely have it up by next week, just in time for St. Patty's Day. It's all good. See, I had a little leeway. My little screw-ups tend to fall into place, as you've seen in past videos. It's all good. So I just thought I'd show you guys what's been going around here the past week. Busy. Finishing up the Meat Bird chicken tractor. It's all set for when they get delivered in about a week and a half. Yeah, got made fun of big time for calling it a chicken tractor at the local coffee shop. You guys know who I'm talking about here. It's a chicken tractor. That's what they're called in the homesteading community. Also got in a currant bush and 2 raspberry bushes. They're teeny tiny, you know. Oh, there's DC. Follow me out. That was done with the help of my mom, who absolutely also doesn't want to be in the video. Do you see a recurring theme here? Why am I the only one? We also put in another apple tree to go with the 3 pecan trees, and there's another apple tree coming. Hi, bud. Also spent a day doing some burning of the grass. Make it come in nice and green for the spring. People in Kansas will know exactly what I'm talking about. I know it was a new thing when we moved here, and I had no idea, like new to me, I had no idea what was going on. But after majoring in conservation biology, I get it. And there is a reason to burn the grasses, especially the tall grass prairie in Kansas, to prevent bigger fires. Okay, we're in the shade here, so it's really hard to tell. But see those little friends? Over 100-foot row, and there is actually 4 of them of onions. I planted a crap ton of onions a few days ago. Let's not forget, we've got all the garlic hidden under there, and that bed is all ready for peas in about another week. Got the garage coops, my little brooders, all ready for when the babies come in about a week. That'll be a fun video. And my last project, filling in all of that new garden bed, raised garden bed with dirt. I got fill dirt and then some good potting mix and topsoil to put on it. That's just right outside our door, so that is going to be for my strawberries and all the garden herbs. Looking forward to having that just right there and can go grab really quick anytime. And as you can see, a little breezy, because that's what makes it warm in Kansas this early in the spring, which technically still winter, I guess, right? But doing all those projects in this wind too, that takes a lot out of a person, and it can get exhausting. However, I have not slept better all winter than I have this past week. So use some natural daylight, some hard work, no sleeping aids needed. Gonna do some transplanting today too, in addition to that garden bed. My little friends are getting too crowded in there. So, time to give them some space. That's what I've done around this place the last week, in addition to work. A lot, I think, and that's why you guys are gonna have to wait a week for a recipe. I'm sure you're all terribly heartbroken over that. You get one just in time for St. Patty's Day to make it next week. I'm gonna leave you guys with my pantry remodel that I did a little while ago, just because I think the change was pretty drastic. and I'm kind of proud of myself for it. My 2 older kids came home from college, looked at it and said, "Ugh, we're an ingredient family. Where's the chips?" And no, we're an ingredient family, sorry. So, but anyway, hope you get some inspiration maybe. I just think it's really cute. Anyway, see you guys next week. Have a great Wednesday. Bye. Okay, all the shelves are out. That paint on those walls is the original at the house, so it's like 20 years old. Kind of embarrassed to even say that.